Hi everyone! We have a brand new Toyota Xenix. There's a basic upgrade we have done on this so far. We replaced the stock horn to PIAA base horn. This one, it's plug and play. We updated the fog lamp to brighter one. The client chooses the white. And also, we replaced the reverse to high power LED also. And of course, the wheel sets. The client chose the 19-inch wheels. We're installing the BLF flow form wrapped in Apollo Aspar 4G Plus tires. Silent on the road. This is on meal with black edge finish. Okay. See the stance. No rubbing issue. Perfect fit. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Bye!